Yeah, I
Right.
think the try to the upside was supposed to be right off this level right there. So I
Yeah.
think this falls.
Right.
Uh,
Yep.
what I do like to do, when I'm trading is usually, all at my levels of support or resistance, look for these, like these patterns, bottom, bottom, and then off the second one, go long, right? Bottom, bottom, off the second one, you know, you could have gone long here, you could have gone long there. And again, the goal would have been to break the 39.50 and then get up to this point of control. If not, that head and shoulders would develop a push lower. Target probably going to be, well, we do got a level here, which is 28.75. But if we can get below that level, next target's going to be previous day low, 22.75. And then below that is going to be 17.50 for me. All right. So I see all this downward movement. Ideally for the short, I would have loved the pullback here. And then if we could fail, that would have developed a nice double top for a push lower. And then I would have wanted the short there. But in this is here for me is a little bit too tight of an area. I could see the opportunity, but it's not. I don't know. I didn't care for the short here. I would have liked to take the long over the short over in this area, but the short up here is going to be better for me. That's what I like to do. Just look for consistent developing patterns. I at least can understand the move better.